What is the real meaning of Python dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these type of dreams. So there are some common types of Python dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a Python in a dream, then it indicates upcoming big and positive changes in life, in which you will get desired results without so much hard work, as well as your enemies will be in the state of dormant, and you will see many positive improvements in your health also. Now number 2, if someone sees killing a python in a dream, then this dream is also considered very good and indicates that you are going to get lots of success in real life, as well as you will also feel very confident and satisfied in the coming future due to complete transformation in your personality. Now number 3, if someone sees a python hunting any animal in a dream, then it indicates victory over your opponents and you will get the desired result in real life. Now number 4, if someone sees fighting with a python in a dream, then it indicates any kind of big obstacles in the completion of any important work, planning or project in life. But if you killed this python in a dream, then you will overcome all kinds of obstacles and you will get the desired result in waking life. Now number 5, if someone sees a python attack in a dream, then it indicates that very soon you will have to make some tough decisions in life. And only then you will be able to make a different identity in life and society. As well as this dream also wants you to focus on your spiritual life, because something very important is waiting for you in the coming future. Now number 6, if someone sees a very big python in a dream, then it indicates any kind of big success in the upcoming days, because your challenges and success both will be big. Now number 7, if someone sees running away from a python in a dream, then it indicates some kind of fear and worries inside your mind. So to avoid these problems, you should remove your fears as soon as possible, or any kind of decision that you are afraid to take should be taken as soon as possible. Only then you will grow in real life. Now number 8, if someone sees a dead python in a dream, then it indicates the ending of something as well as the beginning of something positive and important that will give you a new direction in real life. Now number 9, if someone sees a python in the water in a dream, then it indicates your emotional state of mind and wants you to eliminate negative thoughts and emotions as soon as possible, because something big is waiting for you that can change your life completely. But before that you will have to focus on your strengths rather than weaknesses. Now number 10, if someone sees swallowed by a python in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your attitude towards life, because you always cannot postpone life problems for the future. So to avoid these problems, you should face your fears and worries today rather than avoiding them for the future. Now number 11, if someone sees being chased by a python in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to face lots of changes in the coming future. Some will be very good, but some changes can disappoint you, because it totally depends on your attitude towards life. Now number 12, if someone sees lots of pythons in a dream, then it indicates lots of opportunities along with lots of troubles, because lots of things depend on your attitude towards life. If you have a positive attitude towards life, then this dream indicates opportunities. But a negative attitude towards life indicates troubles and worries in real life. So it's depend on you how you see the things in real life. Now number 13, if someone sees a white python in a dream, then it indicates success, wisdom, peace and satisfaction in real life due to spiritual awakening. Now number 14, if someone sees a yellow python in a dream, then it indicates that you need to focus to get knowledge and skills to get the desired result in waking life, because something very good is waiting for you. But to handle this position, you will need some necessary knowledge and skills. Now number 15, if someone sees a black python in a dream, then it indicates worries, sadness and depression in real life. But the good news is that you can eliminate all these negative things at once if you focus on your heart desires rather than mental desires. Now number 16, if someone sees a green python in a dream, then it indicates a new beginning and success in real life due to your spiritual awakening and unconditional love nature.